This YouTube channel, Super Emotional Stories, has achieved 1.26 million subscribers with just 130 videos, an impressive milestone. Upon closer analysis, we can see that this channel is being managed from Croatia and was launched in April 2024. In a span of just 11 months, it has skyrocketed to 1.26 million subscribers with only 139 uploads, accumulating a staggering 670 million views. A truly incredible feat. Now, let's take a deeper look at the content strategy that led to this success. The channel uploads both long-form and short-form videos. Its most popular long video has amassed 2 million views, while its top-performing short has reached a whopping 75 million views. The niche they've chosen, emotional cat videos, is a major factor behind their high engagement and rapid growth. When it comes to earnings, this channel is making serious money. In just the last 14 days, it has earned over $3,000. Which means it is generating thousands of dollars per month. Now, the exciting part is that creating these kinds of videos is not difficult, and you can do it too. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create a channel and content just like this. So, let's get started. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Bee's Brain, because I'm dedicated to teaching you what no one else is revealing. Step 1. Channel creation. Before we dive into the main process, it's important to have a fully optimized YouTube channel set up for automation. If you're unsure how to create one, don't worry, I've got you covered. You can watch the first part of this video, linked in the description, where I walk through the entire process in detail. If you already know how to set up a channel, feel free to skip this part. I don't want to waste your time. Step 2. Script writing, the heart of our video. Now, let's focus on the most crucial element of video automation, script writing. A well-crafted script is what makes a video engaging, keeps the audience watching, and ensures they stay connected to the story. To generate our script efficiently, I'll be using Claude AI, a powerful AI tool that helps create unique and engaging stories. The process is quite simple. I'll input a carefully designed prompt into Claude AI, and within seconds, it will generate a complete script for us. If you're interested in using the same prompts that I use, you can find them in the link provided below. But if you want to grab the prompt directly from this video, here's a quick trick. Pause the screen, take a screenshot, and use an image-to-text converter to extract the text effortlessly. This way, you can easily copy and use the prompt in your own AI tool. Now that we've entered the prompt, Claude AI has generated a fantastic story for us. It's about Bobo, a baby elephant, a unique and heartwarming character. While many other creators tend to focus on monkeys, bunnies, and cats, I wanted to do something different and fresh, which is why I chose an elephant as the main character. This unique approach can help us stand out in a crowded niche. With our script now fully ready, we can move on to the next stage of the content creation process. Step 3. Script to audio. With our script fully prepared, the next step is to generate the voiceover. For this, we will be using 11 Labs, an advanced AI tool for text-to-speech conversion. Whether you prefer an AI-generated voice or a humanized one, the choice is yours. Personally, I find AI voices to be the best option for efficiency and consistency. To begin, I opened 11 Labs and navigated to the text-to-speech section. Here, I had the option to select a desired voice from the available choices. I explored different voice styles, tested a few, and finally selected one that suited the tone of my video. Next, I pasted my script into the text box, carefully reviewing it to remove any unnecessary words or errors. Once everything looked perfect, I clicked on Generate, and within seconds, our script was transformed into a professional AI voiceover. After generation, I played the audio to ensure clarity and quality. If any adjustments were needed, I could tweak the text and regenerate the voiceover. Once I was satisfied with the final result, I proceeded to download the voiceover file for use in the video. Now that our AI-generated voiceover is ready, we can move forward to the next step in our video creation process. Step 4. Generating prompts for AI images. Now that we have our voiceover ready, it's time to move on to the next crucial part of our video creation process, generating prompts for AI-generated images. For this step, we will be using Claude AI to create detailed prompts that will help us generate high-quality AI images. The key to getting realistic and visually appealing AI-generated images is crafting the right prompts. The more descriptive and structured the prompt, the better the final output will be. To start, I'll paste a carefully designed prompt into Claude AI and hit enter. Within just a few minutes, the AI will process the request and generate multiple prompts, each tailored to represent individual scenes in our video. These prompts will serve as instructions that guide the AI in creating relevant and visually stunning images that match our script. Once we have all the necessary prompts ready, we can use them to generate AI images for every scene, ensuring that our visuals align perfectly with the story we are telling. Now, let's move ahead and bring our video to life with high-quality AI-generated imagery. Step 5. Converting prompts into AI-generated images. Now that we have our prompts ready, it's time to move on to the next step, converting text into AI-generated images. For this, we will be using Leonardo AI, a powerful tool for creating high-quality AI images. To get started, open Leonardo AI, and you will see its user-friendly interface. One great thing about Leonardo AI is that it provides 150 free credits daily, which we can use to generate images. If you need faster processing or more advanced features, you can always consider upgrading to the Pro version. Now, let's begin the image generation process. Click on Image Generation, and from here, you can choose the aspect ratio for your images based on your video requirements. Once the ratio is set, paste your prompt into the input box and hit enter. The AI will now start generating images. Since we are using the free version, the processing might take a little longer, but if you want faster results, the paid version will speed things up significantly. After a short wait, our images are ready. Leonardo AI provides us with 4 different variations of the image. You can now click on the one you like the most and download it. We will repeat this process for each prompt, copying the prompt, pasting it into Leonardo AI, generating the images, and downloading them one by one, until we have all the visuals needed for our video. Now that our AI-generated images are ready, we are set to move on to the next step in our video creation process. Step 6. Converting images into videos. Now that we have all our AI-generated images, it's time to bring them to life by converting them into dynamic video clips. For this, we will be using a tool called Pixverse, which specializes in transforming static images into motion-based AI-generated videos. This step is crucial as it will make our visuals more engaging and suitable for a high-quality final video. To begin, open Pixverse and log in using your Google account. One of the great things about Pixverse is that it provides 90 free credits, allowing us to generate up to 3 video clips, since each video creation costs 30 credits. If you need more, you have 2 options. Upgrade to the Pro version for unlimited access or use multiple Google accounts to keep receiving free daily credits. Once logged in, click on Upload Image and select the first AI-generated image. After the image is uploaded, you will see an input box where you need to paste the original prompt that was used to generate that image. This helps Pixverse understand how to animate the image in a way that matches the original concept. After pasting the prompt, simply click on Generate and Pixverse will begin processing. Within seconds, our first image-to-video clip is ready. You can preview the result, and if it looks good, download the clip. To complete our project, we will repeat this process, uploading the next image, pasting the relevant prompt, generating the video, and downloading the final clip. Since the free credits are limited, they will run out after 3 creations. If you want to continue without interruptions, you can upgrade to the Pro version or create multiple Gmail accounts to keep receiving free credits daily. With all our AI-generated images now successfully converted into videos, we are ready to move forward to the next step in our video creation process. Step 7. Generating AI music. Now that our video clips are ready, it's time to add background music to enhance the overall experience. For this, we will be using Suno AI, an advanced AI-powered tool that generates unique music tracks based on custom prompts. To begin, open Suno AI and log in using your Google account. Each account provides 59 free credits, which allows us to generate multiple music tracks. Once logged in, click on Create, where you will see a prompt input box. Here, we need to provide a well-structured prompt to generate the right type of music. For this, I will head over to Claude AI and ask it to generate a suitable music prompt. Within moments, Claude AI will generate a structured prompt based on our video theme. I will copy this prompt, paste it into Suno AI, and hit Generate to start the music creation process. Once the music is generated, I will listen to the track to check if it matches the mood and style of our video. If the track doesn't feel right, I will tweak the prompt and try again until I get the desired result. Suno AI allows us to generate multiple variations, so we can experiment with different styles until we find the perfect match. After selecting the best track, I will download the final version and save it for use in our video. Now that our background music is ready, we can move forward to the next step of the video creation process. Final step, video editing. We've now reached the most crucial stage of our project, video editing. This is where we bring everything together to create a polished final product. To achieve this, we'll be using CapCut, a powerful yet user-friendly editing tool. First, open CapCut and start by importing all the necessary files, including video clips, audio, and background music. To do this, click on the Import button, select your files, and wait for them to load into the media library. Once imported, you can preview each file to ensure everything is in place. Now that we have our media ready, we'll start by working on the audio. Drag the audio file onto the audio layer on the timeline. To make precise adjustments, zoom in on the timeline so that you can see the waveform more clearly. Next, we'll bring in our video clips. If we have 6 clips, we'll drag and place them one by one onto the media layer in the correct sequence. The goal here is to arrange the clips in sync with the audio, ensuring they complement the voiceover or background sound. At this stage, it's essential to refine the footage. If there are any unnecessary or excess parts, we'll need to trim them. Click on the Trim tool, carefully cut out unwanted sections, and ensure the clips transition smoothly from one to the next. Since this is a sample video, I'll also trim any extra audio to match the final duration. Raw clips can sometimes feel disjointed, so to make the video more engaging and professional, we'll add transitions between them. Click on Transitions, browse through the available effects, and apply them between each clip. This will make the scene changes look much smoother and visually appealing. One of the most significant improvements in modern video editing is AI-generated captions. In the past, adding captions manually was a tedious and time-consuming task, but CapCut now offers auto-captioning, making this process effortless. To generate captions, click on Text, select Auto Caption, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, CapCut will analyze the audio and create captions that match the dialogue or voiceover perfectly. Once the captions are generated, we can enhance their appearance. Click on Text, go to Templates, and select a visually appealing caption style. I personally like this one, so I'll apply it to my video. Now, the captions not only serve their purpose, but also look aesthetically pleasing and professional. Now, let's add background music to bring our video to life. Background music enhances the mood and impact of the content, so it's crucial to choose the right track. Drag the music file onto the timeline, adjust its volume to ensure it doesn't overpower the main audio, and trim any unnecessary sections. The music should complement the video rather than dominate it, so we'll lower the volume accordingly. With all the edits complete, we'll do a final review. Play through the video to ensure that everything is in sync: the clips, audio, captions, transitions, and background music. Once we're satisfied with the final product, it's time to export. Click on Export, choose the desired resolution and file settings, and save the final video. And that's it. Our video editing process is complete, and we now have a professionally edited video ready to be shared.
Bobo the baby elephant couldn't resist a puddle. While his family grazed peacefully, he'd sneak away, his tiny trunk wiggling with excitement at the prospect of splashing. "Bobo, be careful!" his older sister Ella would trumpet. Wise beyond her years, Ella always kept watch over her adventurous brother. One particularly sunny morning, Bobo discovered a puddle that seemed deeper than usual.